Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to color grade and correct colors in Photoshop, and also show you how you can easily add shadows to your images. So here are the three images I'll be using. First, the background image, and second, the image of this man walking. Now let's start with the color correction. So for this image, the first thing I will do is to remove the background and choose select and choose subject. By doing that, the AI automatically select the image, and then you can go on to create a layer mask to remove the background. So as you can see, the background is successfully removed. So choose the move tool and drag and drop the image to the background image. Now as you can see, the colors are far different from each other. So press Ctrl T to scale. Now the first thing I will do here is to duplicate this layer, and that's by pressing Ctrl J. For me, duplicating this layer doesn't affect this tutorial in any way. The only thing I'm going to use the second image to do is to create a shadow. So drag it upside down. We are dealing with layer 1. So the first thing I will do is to make the image cool, and to do that I am going to create a curve adjustment layer, create a layer mask, a clipping mask, and then drag this image down. Okay, I think we are okay with this. Now I'm going to add some highlight, and so I'm going to create another curve layer. Make sure you choose this, create a clipping mask, and choose this icon, auto options, and then you are left with this many auto correction options. Now the one we are going to choose is the enhance by channel contrast. We are okay with the shadows, and so we have to deal with the highlight. Now I'm going to select a color from this bridge. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Now Photoshop will ask you to save the new document colors as default. You choose no. And then the last layer we're going to create is an adjustment layer. Don't forget to create a clipping mask, and then you can just drag this. Okay guys, as you can see, both the image and the background image are having the same color look. Now let's head over to creating a shadow. So I'm going to deal with the layer 1 copy I have made earlier. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to go over to the saturation and decrease the lightness and saturation to 100%, and then create a clipping mask. Now right click again and choose merge down. So both the saturation layer and the image layer we have copied earlier have been merged together. Now press Ctrl T, right click and choose perspective. Now let's drag out the shadow. So we're okay with this. Now move over to the blending option. Hold the Alt key and to split this into half and drag it to the other end. Choose OK. As you can see, the opacity of the shadows has been reduced. Now move over to filter